Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about business procedure during an unplanned events. Unexpected occurrences such as flash floods, earthquakes, storms, fire, and other disasters may happen, and there's nothing we can do but to be resilient. Working from home during these times may be difficult, so VCA put a procedure in place to make sure that everyone is aligned during this type of events. First, stay safe and be calm. Make sure you and your family are safe. Monitor your family's health and well-being. Second, notify VCA. Call, text, or email Miss Honey, whichever is more convenient for you. Inform her of your situation and wait for further advice. Third, notify your client. Send an email to your client and inform them about your situation. Provide details such as an estimated time or date of resumption of work. Fourth, provide an update. In times like this, nothing is more important than communication. Communicate with VCA and your client constantly. This will allow them to be updated of your status. Fifth, consider relocation. Plan to evacuate or relocate, especially when basic utilities are still not yet restored or available. This will keep you and your family safe and be able to resume to work remotely. Recovering from a disaster is a gradual process. Always take care of yourself and your family. At the same time, we must also make sure there's business continuity with minimal impact to our clients' operations by following these simple business procedures during unplanned events. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.